Yeah, Nissfest.
Yeah. There it is. Yo.
Yo, what's up? I watched the videos, man. That's crazy. Oh my God.
What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We're back here in front of my house, and as you saw from the title of today's video, we're headed to Nissfest. This is the biggest Nissan, Infiniti, and Datsun car show in basically Southern California. So we are headed over that way. I say we because Steve is here today as well.
Yo, what's good?
We are going to be riding down in the 350Z. Check this thing out. Went and just washed this thing. It is so clean right now. It was kind of getting kind of dusty, honestly, just because we've been driving the Miata almost every day. We're taking this thing down to LA. Honestly, I think it's my first time driving this car that distance. Since we painted it, I wanted to get it clear wrapped, and we have not been able to do that yet just because the car's parked outside. So, you know, if we get rock chips, what do? We just repaint the front bumper, right?
The battle scars, man.
The front lip, you know, exactly.
Rock with it, bro.
It looks undriven. It literally just looks like it sits here, which, I mean, it kind of does. So that's the plan. We're gonna go to a car show today, the very first one that I've been to in LA at least. And yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna need some energy drinks and head that way.
Yeah, Nissfest.
Yeah. All right, we just made it. We're pulling up to the scene. My window still doesn't work, so I'm gonna have to open the door. My window doesn't work. So, oh, here's my ticket.
And here's mine.
Car show?
Yes.
You're going to the right.
Right in here? Okay. Oh, do we just go this way?
Yeah, keep on going down, all the way down.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks. There it is.
Yo.
Oh, we're definitely coming back to see that.
Yes. Yo, we got Living Like Johnny at Nissfest over here.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Check it out, you guys. This is our parking spot. We got Steve applying sunscreen. I realized I never actually told anyone that I was coming to this meet. It was kind of a last minute thing. So if you're over here, definitely say what's up. And
For sale.
the first look.
Now I get like my
Sheesh.
Photo Z.
There it is, man. Not seen one of these in person yet. Open it? Right here? Oh, shoot. Oh, man.
This is crazy.
That's insane. Oh, it smells so brand new in there.
Estimated MSRP
55, yeah.
You know it ain't.
I know, right? Dang, what if they're bronze wheels? These taillights? Oh, dang, man. What's the, how much is it for sale for right now?
listed at 99 right now.
99? Sweat. Thank you. 99,000. All right, taking the stairs. Let's do it. Oh, shoot. Dang. This is crazy. Oh, man, I'm taking these stairs. Oh, gosh. This looks kind of sketch. I know the stairs are like creaking.
I've only been here for 30 years.
I think there's nothing below me right now. Oh, man. Oh yeah, going for the drift ride along. It's about to be crazy out here.
Let's go. Yeah, and then you put the two wheels on here. Do a hook in there and then push it down. Yeah. How big is your YouTube channel?
Just hit 15K.
Oh, dope.
Yes, all 350Z stuff. So I've never actually been in a 370, so this is pretty massive.
No, it's cool. You're gonna like it, man. We're gonna go hard.
Sweet.
When you're done, come find me. I have the new Z out there.
No way.
Yep.
I saw that thing. Okay, I'm down.
The one's on bulks and coilovers already.
Oh no.
Yep.
That's
Shit.
right.
We'll do a video.
Okay, I'm down. Sweet.
good?
Thank you. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is insane.
We got AC in here too.
Oh, dude. Whew.
You got the luxury car in here.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's lucky. Dang. So this is a hydro brake.
Yeah, hydro handbrake. I'm not touching it at all today though.
Oh,
I
geez.
don't need it for this layout. Just slowing down with the angle.
Okay, I was gonna say, man, you're ripping that corner over
Thank
there.
you, bro. Appreciate it.
I was watching you over there, and I was like, I gotta get right in that 370Z. Like,
If you guys could find me, Randy Famoso Racing. Look it up anywhere.
okay.
Yeah, the build's pretty simple. It's my daily. Under the hood, it's bone stock. Only power I have is test pipes, half cage with door bars, YS5 angle kits, brand new, first day out. Yeah, pretty simple build, but it rips, it goes hard, and I'm having a great time. And you're gonna have a fun time right now. We're gonna go hard.
Oh man, this is my first time like in a drift car, so.
Cool. This the layout right now just has me freaking bah, 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 like all day.
That's what the lady at the front desk was saying. She's like, this layout, like you really gotta be like, you know what you're doing to be out here. So it's just,
yeah, you gotta be committed to, like you can't get off throttle. It's just full throttle all the way and just slow down with massive angle and have a good time.
Wow. I've been wanting to get into drifting kind of, and I was thinking, I don't know if I should get another Z, but I mean the 370's been pretty reliable drift car for you.
Oh yeah, for sure. All Z's, all VQ cars, like they run all the time.
Okay.
Yeah. You guys need to leave in the comments, just tell him.
Yes.
Get a drift car, get a drift car, get a drift car. Convince him,
Hey.
make him get one, make him do it.
I'll be out here in a few years.
You guys will enjoy that footage, believe me.
I was gonna ask, like, use the same set of tires?
Yeah, all day. I could probably get like 50 laps out of them on that.
Oh my
meeting,
God.
yeah.
Oh man, here we go. Dude, I have to just take a second here. You did? That was crazy. I was out there on the road, bro. Oh man, dude, that's crazy. We've reached the part of the day where we gotta wait in line for some tacos. It's either that or funnel cakes for lunch, so tacos it is. The right-hand drive. Bro, one of these would be sick. These are matching. That's nice. Dang, that's a Nismo. Oh no, it's a Fismo. Dang. You had to pick a 300ZX. You taking this one or that one? So classic.
Like, get me paint like this.
Yes, exactly. There are so many Z's, I don't even know where to look, honestly. Look at this wide body 50Z here. Man, should we wide body the Z? I don't know, honestly. With the honeycomb carbon fenders.
You know, if it's a Z, you can't go wrong with that.
Exactly.
You can't even go wrong.
It's probably my favorite 240 here so far. It's just got that, you know, OEM plus look. I don't know, I just love it. It's so clean. It's crazy what a paint job will do to a car. Like, it just changes everything about it, you know?
Oh, look at that.
It makes it look so good. Dang, man, this thing is clean. Honestly, see, I love this color. It's like a forest green or like a British racing green. That's a huge wing though. Oh, it's got the Motordyne exhaust. That's exactly what I would do. Jeez, man, I love those wheels too. They look so good. I think we found the Nismo spot. These are the 350Z SoCal part out guys. Oh, that's clean. 350Z SoCal part out. All of them. The Nismo boys. Oh my God, look at the wheels. Those things are like square. Man, this thing is clean. All it needs is a headlight restoration kit, and it's freaking mint. I love that color. I would get a blue Z on this one. Really. No drone, but I didn't get mine out yet. I think more and more people are learning the whole like OEM plus look. Like, they're not doing crazy mods to their Zs. They're just putting a set of wheels on them. They're just doing an intake, probably an exhaust, and they're kind of just leaving it. And honestly,
I'm happy about that.
me as well, honestly. Like here's another example right over here. Perfect example. Wheels, carbon hood, pretty much it. I mean, this thing's clean though. I love those wheels. See, I love that hood. That's probably the hood I would get.
Yeah.
That might be even the one I was looking at. They still keep the lines that like the OEM hood has. But see, the weird thing is I would just still paint the carbon red. Then I'd probably leave the squares like fade carbon, you know? This chrome piece is this Kinetics intake manifold. They're like $1,000, but it looks pretty cool.
It does.
But it really changes the look of the VQ. I'm not sure how much I like it. So the difference is because like all of the tubes going into each cylinder have like the same amount of airflow.
Yeah.
Versus the stock 350Z has like the airflow towards the front of the engine isn't like optimal as it could be. Oh man, look at this extension here. It goes all the way into the front bumper. So that would be considered your cold air intake.
Yeah. Like
an actual cold air intake. Versus like mine ends right here. Just all the heat. That's pretty sweet though. Oh, we gotta see these GTRs though first. Dang man. Jeez. Oh man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Goals. Dang. The same. Oh, look at that paint. Jesus. I don't know. If that's stock paint, that's pretty amazing, not gonna lie. It's happened like 10 times. I think I'm like, oh, that's definitely a Nismo. And then you look and it's not. It's not a real Nismo. It's like,
it's just a bumper, isn't it?
Yeah, but then you have to remember they only made 1,500 Nismos.
That's true.
That's it. It's like, that's pretty low.
Yeah.
Dang, man. This thing is crazy. think it is Jay's. Shoot. I've yet to see this thing in person. Oh man. Jeez. That's pretty clean. I love those seats. With its Home. He's pushing like 500 or 550 or something. Really? Yeah. I would like to turbo my car, but this is the 4th Z Proto at this meet. Jeez. It's pretty good. Now, everyone, calm down. We got the Nismo hat. The Nismo hat. Is the Nissan at least centered? No. To say the least. I think that's the saying. Nissfest was a success. I mean, there's so many Nissans over here. I mean, we tried to walk around to all of them we could. We got people everywhere, and it's pretty awesome. We kind of got a booth spot right over here next to the Street Aero booth, which is pretty amazing. So we're headed out. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. That drift ride along was absolutely insane. I don't think I've ever experienced anything like that in a car. Like, I mean, I'm kind of addicted now. Like, I think I gotta buy a 370Z or something to drift it. So let me know in the comments, like, what do you guys think? I know that Randy was like, he thinks we should do it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. Drop a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it and you want to see us go to more car shows, because I'd be totally down to do that. And yeah, just thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace out.